Are you looking for a saw that will give you the most value? Look no further than the Spida automated Apollo saw. This isn't just any saw. It's a radial arm saw designed to accurately cut any angle between 9 and 171 degrees with ease. Whether you're a large factory or a small factory, the automated Apollo saw has you covered. With features usually found in higher end saws, this machine stands out for its safety and versatility. From straight cuts to complex angles, and from long to short lengths of lumber, it handles it all with exceptional production numbers. Our design philosophy is simplicity. The intuitive software and touch screen makes operation a breeze. It measures lengths automatically, the radial arm adjusts precisely, and the laser guide ensures accuracy of each cut. It also comes with an optional safety grip. And the best part? You won't have to worry about this saw calling in sick or taking a day off. It's super reliable and always ready to work. The automated Apollo saw is the ultimate all-rounder. Perfect as a standalone saw or as a backup saw in your production. You'll love the versatility of this saw. Once you add a Spida automated Apollo saw to your factory, you'll have it for years to come. You'll always find the need and space for this saw.